Right now we got Paragon up at the assembly shop. We're excited, like this thing is finally up here. We have been talking about it and working on the molds forever. Everyone's pretty stoked on it, and we have a team doing exterior, team doing interior, team doing electrical, team on the roofs. It's gonna be gnarly. We have 7 days. I don't know when we're gonna go home, but yeah, we're just gonna hammer on it until we're tired. With having a week to build this, it does prove a couple things to us. One, this thing is manufacturable. The first one is always difficult to build, right? Because it's all the little tweaks here and there. But we are using a lot of the systems from Flagship. So we're very familiar with how these systems go together and talk to one another.
We're running a two-way switch on the main pump lights. I have 4 wires coming over here. So
if you bond that and you just want to sand out the FRP to get the window to go in, that's fine too, as long as we're good at the bottom. Yeah, cool.
So there's a lot of interior finishing parts, so it's like some stuff that I wouldn't call it an oversight. It's just like, what do we want to do here? We haven't figured that part out yet. So now it's like, well, we need to fill this panel up and still leave room for some other excess for wiring and other things. So we have the camper in hand now, so we're taking measurements and we're gonna design the parts, build them in CAD, and then we're gonna machine them or 3D print them, whatever process we deem fit. So that's what prototyping is all about. It's like, we need a part to solve this specific solution. So a lot of companies, I feel like, if you needed a part, whether they designed it or not, they're not gonna be able to just make it same day or next day. So that's our whole goal, is like, especially in crunch time right now, it's like, we need this part, let's design it, we'll make it tonight, tomorrow, we can do it super fast. So that's one of the biggest benefits of having manufacturing in-house.
We made all the visual progress. Now it's gonna be all the little details that are super boring, but we get them all done. So the goal for tomorrow is get plumbing wrapped up and majority of the wiring. Monday, Tuesday will be the last couple pieces. All those little tiny things that we didn't get to, I want Monday to be really that day. Tuesday is just clean, QC, test everything, and then we're ready to leave on Wednesday. You guys want to hang out in there for a little bit? You don't have to. Nick wants to.
I want to see it.
Like 10 people, right?
Ski house is going to be sick. Ski house.
We'll snake and slither down in there, and we'll tie it together, and we'll pull that snake right back out the hole.
No. Okay.
All right. Can we get out of here?
Yeah. All right, well, I'll check if it's ready.
Okay. We are leaving Wednesday afternoon, and what's today, Monday? Yeah. Today is Monday, day 6 of the build. We're 95% there. Really stoked on the team. We pushed pretty hard this weekend to get it to where it's at. We have to adjust the leaf pack. We actually oversprung it. The camper came out lighter than we originally expected, so that is great. By end of day tomorrow, all the big stuff will be done, systems tested. That leaves us with Wednesday morning just to put the final touches on it, put the logo on, and we're on our way to Flagstaff. Hell yeah. Thank you guys so much. I know everybody put in a ton of hard work. I truly believe there's no other company in the US that would be able to do this. The hard work's paying off, and yeah, I'm excited to see what the future holds with this product. I think it's freaking perfect. Like, it is the Paragon. Outside faucet, and then there's an outside shower on the other side, and then
I love it.
yeah. Oh. Hop on in there.
Are you handsome?
Oh man.
What's your favorite feature?
This. Yeah. It's amazing. Like, it's so comfortable for 2 people. Yeah. Stoked on it.
Awesome work, guys! It looks so good. So nice.
They're so big too.
This feels so good and natural. I love the wooden block. It looks so good. And the step feels really good. I was nervous about the step.
What's up, buddy?
Yay!
What do you think? You like it?
It's pretty awesome.
I mean, if it wasn't for the team, there's no way we'd be driving this thing to the show right now. So, yeah, really happy about that. I don't know another group of people that are willing to stay and push to accomplish, the greater vision of the company and where we're going and what we're trying to do. I didn't have to ask for people to come in on weekends to stay late. They all stepped up and made it happen. I seriously feel like we have the best team. I mean, the shell was up there and we had 7 days basically to build the whole thing. No overnighters, so we finished up at 8, 9 o'clock every night, and we're back at the shop at 6, 7 a.m. and we just hammered on it and got it done. It's really the experience that we have of building, the amount of tools that we've built, the amount of parts that we've built, and I think all that is what led to this being put together so well. We would not be driving the Expo if people didn't care just as much as I do or as Kelsey does.